Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will solve question number 1 to 6 from exercise 2.2. Our first question is x square plus 2xy plus y square minus a square. Now this polynomial expression has 4 terms, so we have to divide it into 2 portions. So first 3 terms of this polynomial expression make a formula. So write it like enclosed with brackets and a square as it is. And now apply formula of complete square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square is equals to a plus b whole square. Now convert this into complete square form. Here value of x is equals to a and value of y is equals to b. So this is x square means a square plus 2xy means 2ab plus y square, it means b square. So that is completely equal to this form. Now convert it to the whole square form. We will write x in place of a and y in place of b. Minus a will come here. Now here I see this is another form. In this form, when both terms have square, there are 2 terms and both terms have their separate squares and they are subtracted, then we will use a square minus b square formula, that is derived as a plus b, a minus b. Now here the first term is a and the second term is b. So from this I can know that a is equals to x plus y and b is equals to a. Now put value in this form. A minus b means value of a minus value of b. Value of a is x plus y minus by the formula, and value of b is a. Next factor, a plus b, value of a plus value of b, that is x plus y plus a. So this is our answer. That was question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is 4a square plus 4ab plus b square minus 9c square. Again this expression has 4 terms and first 3 terms make a formula. By completing square we can solve these 3 terms. So I will enclose 3 terms by a bracket, minus 9c square as it is. Now use formula here. Which formula? Again I am going to write here. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, where value of a, what is value of a? Now I cannot derive value of a from here directly because 4 is not in squared form. I will write it as square. It would be 2a square plus 2 from the formula value of a and value of b from the formula. I will write it afterwards. And b square in bracket minus 9c square. Now what is the value of a? The first term is the value of a, so write it here 2a, and the last term is value of b, so write here b. Now if we multiply it 4ab, so we will have this central term by factorizing it into 2 into 2a into b, and we also form this formula. Next step, to write it in squared form, a plus b. A means first term, that is 2a, write here 2a. B means last term, that is b whole square, and the last term, that is 9c square, come here as it is. Again I see that this 9 is a complete square, so I can write it like 3c whole square. 2 times 3 multiplied 3 makes 9, so I can write it in square form. The next step is use another formula, that is a square minus b square, means separate square the difference of a square minus a square and b square. That can be written as a plus b, a minus b. So here a is the first term, that is this complete is a, that is 2a plus b. The second term is 3c, so b is equal to 3c. Now we will put value in this form. A plus b, a means 2a plus b means 3c, and then again in subtraction form 2a minus 3, 2a plus b minus 3c. So this is the answer. Next question number 3. Question number 3 is x square plus 6ax plus 9a square minus 16b square. Now again enclose first 3 terms in a bracket. It will be x square plus 6ax plus 9a square, bracket closed, minus 16 is a complete square, so I can write it as 4b square. Now I will try to form a completing square formula for these 3 terms. Okay, for that purpose I have to write a x square, okay, then 2 into a and b, then 9 is a complete square, right, 3a whole square. Which formula I am using here? I am using here a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means first term is a and last term is b square. Value of a is x here and value of b is 3a here. Now put all these values here. In the formula there is 2ab, so 2a and value of b is 3a. I can write this form in squared form, that is a plus b whole square. A is x and b is 3a. It will be 3a. Do not forget to write 4b whole square as the last term. After that that I know that square of first term minus square of second term make another formula. That formula is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So what is the value of a? Here this is the value of a and this is the value of b. A is x plus 3a and value of b is 4b. Now put values in this form. A plus b means x plus 3a, that is the value of a, and value of b 4b. Now a minus b, a means x plus 3a and b means 4b minus 4b. And this is the answer. Question number 4.